It is with deep sadness that we announce the death of a beloved father, brother, partner, and friend, Mc Gawin Hoover Hippolyte, also known as Quas, from Riverside, Suffolk, who passed away on Saturday, 30th December 2023, at the age of 52. He was a taxi driver and shopkeeper. The funeral service for the late Mc Gawin Hoover Hippolyte, also known as Quas, will be held on Thursday, 25th January 2024 at 2:30 p.m. at Our Lady of the Assumption Church, Suffolk. His body will be laid to rest at the Suffolk Cemetery. The body now lies at Lazarus Funeral Home, New Dock Road, Vieux. May he rest in perfect peace.